Imagine this, a rocket that could cut the travel time to Mars in half, carry more cargo, and open up the stars for humanity like never before. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is the promise of nuclear thermal rockets, a technology that could revolutionize space travel and take us to Mars faster than ever before. Today, I'm diving into how these rockets work, why they're such a big deal, and how they could help us become a multi-planet species. Let's blast off. So, what exactly is a nuclear thermal rocket? Unlike traditional chemical rockets that burn fuel to create thrust, nuclear thermal rockets use a nuclear reactor to heat up a propellant, usually hydrogen. The reactor heats the hydrogen to incredibly high temperatures, turning it into a super hot gas that's shot out of a nozzle at insane speeds. This creates thrust, but way more efficiently than chemical rockets. Think of it like this. Chemical rockets are like gas-guzzling cars, while nuclear thermal rockets are like electric vehicles, sleeker, faster, and way more efficient. Here's why this matters. Chemical rockets are great for getting us into orbit, but for long trips, like to Mars, they're not ideal. They need a ton of fuel, which makes them heavy and expensive. Nuclear thermal rockets, on the other hand, can get us to Mars in just 3-4 months instead of 6-9 months. That's a huge difference. Less time in space means less radiation exposure for astronauts and fewer supplies needed for the journey. And here's the kicker. Because they're so efficient, we could carry more cargo, like habitats, food, and scientific equipment, making it easier to set up a permanent base on Mars. Now you might be thinking, if this is so great, why aren't we using it already? Well, we've actually been working on this technology since the 1960s. Back then, NASA's NERVA program proved that nuclear thermal rockets could work, but the program was canceled due to budget cuts and a shift in priorities. Fast forward to today, and NASA is revisiting this technology. Projects like Draco, short for Demonstration Rocket for Agile Cislunar Operations, are paving the way for nuclear thermal rockets to make a comeback, and this time, the goal is clear: Mars. Picture this, a crewed mission to Mars powered by a nuclear thermal rocket. The rocket blasts off from Earth, carrying astronauts and all the supplies they need. In just a few months, they arrive at the Red Planet, ready to explore, build, and maybe even settle. With nuclear thermal rockets, this vision could become a reality sooner than you think. Of course, there are challenges. Nuclear reactors in space sound scary, right? But modern designs are incredibly safe, with robust shielding to protect astronauts and advanced systems to prevent accidents. Plus, the benefits far outweigh the risks when it comes to exploring Mars and beyond. Mars is the next giant leap for humanity, and nuclear thermal rockets could be the key to getting us there. They're faster, more efficient, and could help us build a future where humans aren't just visiting Mars, we're living there. So, what do you think? Are nuclear thermal rockets the future of space travel? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as excited about this as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the future of space exploration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.